A very good morning to all. Welcome back. The next topic which we are going to discuss in this video is big data. Okay, the data is a collection of information. Okay, it is a raw data. In this video, we are going to discuss the types of big data and what are the characteristics which is available in the big data. And the next video, we will discuss the tools and applications which is belongs to data, big data. First, before we are proceeding to the tools, first you understand the what is meant by big data. The big data means it is a large volume of data. Okay, that large volume of data, it is stored in the companies or the databases, and how that particular databases are maintained in the organization. Okay, that thing only we are going to discuss in this big data. So the big data means the collection of information. It could be the combination of structured data, semi-structured data, and unstructured data. This kind of data which is collected by the organization, then after collecting, it will be mined for the information alone. And that particular mined information, it will be used in the machine learning project, predictive modeling, and other advanced analytics applications. Okay. Then why we need this big data, why it is important, because while we are going with the instrumental for our organization, if we are going to enable the data driven decision making, okay, and the fourth string innovations, okay, this kind of things, it will be optimized by using this big data. And also it will give the role in a personalization to enhance the customer satisfaction, so that they can, if we consider in the healthcare, it may give the personalized medicine for that particular deceased person. Okay, if you are going with a car, okay, if you take the Maruti Suzuki, initially it is started with the 800. Now they are having the some advanced versions of 7 seaters also. Okay, how this has happened. Okay, then next one is the predictive analytics. This will be used to just predict the forecasting, fraud deductions, and security. And the overall, the big data, it has impact the on the business efficiency, scientific research, and also it will be cornerstone for progress in various fields. Okay. And the history of big data. When does big data it has came to the market mean? In the year of 1900 and all, it was not having this much of importance, right? Nowadays only we are using. In the 2020 era, we are using this big data. It is playing a vital role. Before that, in the 19th centuries and all, the statistics, probably everything, it is maintained separately. It is not combined together to produce the some of the results. And the data where it is maintained in the data warehouses in 1980s, the data, that time also, we have started to use the internet, right? So that time, whenever the data is collected, it is stored in the data warehouses. That's all. And the fraud predictions also there. Then the after this, the business, okay, the BA is business intelligence. The business intelligence also it is used to make the best decisions in the businesses. That has happened in the 1990s. Then after that, the data mining it is came to the market, and it will be surveyed till the 2000. Then after this 2000, machine learning was entered into the market. But today, all the data which is made into a big data. Okay, this is about the history of our big data concept. Then how big data works. Okay, this is the big data. Big data is a collection of structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data. Okay, for this collected information, just we are going to apply the analytics. The analytics means it will be segregate the data. Either it is a structured or unstructured, just it will be categorized. Then from that categorization, For the decision making, we have to apply the algorithm to categorize the data. The shapes here, for example, it is given the shapes. Then this is about the introduction to big data. Next is the types, big data types. Basically, it is classified into 3 types. Then first one is that already we have discussed, structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. Structured data means it may consist of the zeros and ones. Unstructured means there is no structure for that data. Semi-structured means it is a combination of text data and the unstructured data. Structured data. When the data is processed, stored and retrieved in the desired format, then it could be stored in a relational database so that it will make the analysis easier. For that, like name, date, addresses, credit card numbers, okay, and other structured data are the example. And also another example, it includes the data stored in the relative databases, spreadsheets or CSV files. This type of data is easily searchable and queryable, and it could be easily analyzable by using a traditional database management system like SQL databases. Then the unstructured data. Unstructured data is a information that lacks a specific format and it will be stored in a original form without any presets. Then it's a demanding and time-consuming process to process, analyze the unstructured data. Rich media like a data from media and entertainment industries and the surveillance data are example of unstructured data. And also it will include the text data, images, video, audio recordings, social media posts, emails, and sensor data also. It is basically it will be a natural language processing. Then the semi-structured means it is not segregated properly, but it contains some vital informations like email, NoSQL database, and other semi-structured data are example for this semi-structured data. And also it will be self-describes about the metadata, tag or markers to provide context or structure. In this example, it includes the XML, JSON and log files. Okay. The semi-structured data is more flexible than structured data. It still requires some level of organization for analysis. Okay. Then the characteristics means it will be based on the V's, 6 V's: value, volume, velocity, veracity, and variability. Okay. The volume means it is a huge data. And the velocity is the growth of the data. And the variety means a different variety of data. That is a semi-structured or unstructured or the example for the variety of data. XML files, audio, video. Okay. Then veracity means it is about the quality, validity, and trustworthiness of the data. Okay. Then the value. Value means for that the veracity, if you go the example part, if you want to go to the restaurant, you search on the Google to find out where is the best suited for you. Okay. Due to some excess unstructured data from all the sources, you end up with getting confused. Some many informations it will be given. Okay, from that we have to collect it based on the quality and validity, trustworthiness. You have to choose the place restaurant. The value, it is most important way of big data. It defined an ability to transform data into a business. Then variability, it is a variability in the raw data structure. Okay. For every hostel student might related to it. Suppose every week mess serves a paneer. Okay. Although that paneer does not taste good every week, there is a chance in taste. This chance is a variable. Why does the taste change? Because of some day the chef pours extra spices and another day he does not. The same is true for data, which might have an important on the quality of data, your data, if it is constantly changing. Then some of the big data use cases where we are using this big data means recommendations engine, financial fraud detection, healthcare sector, and agriculture and fraud industries. For that, the example is recommendation system. It is used in the Netflix and Prime. Okay, if you can consider the some person X and Y watching the same film. Okay, so for example, film 1. The next person it is watching the another some video. When the person X is watching some video, that same video link it will be sent to the a person Y from the Netflix with the help of this recommendation engine. Then financial fraud reduction. If there is a, they will call from the they will call from a then financial fraud reduction. Then next one is healthcare sector. Healthcare sectors, it will be used to monitor the patient's record. And the agriculture and food industries, agriculture, it will be used to improve the quality and quantity of crops by using the geospatial data and graphical data. Some of the big data challenges, it is incomplete understanding of big data, then exponential data growth, security of data, security of data. There is the financial fraud reduction. No, for that that particular concern, they have to appoint the cyber security professional to protect their data. Data integration, it will be basically it will be used to solve the problems of purchasing the right technologies. The conclusion part, big data, it is a large and complex collection of data that is difficult to process and analyze using the traditional methods. It is categorized into 6 V's, and it is used to make a better decision and also improve the products and services and make new discoveries. Significantly, it will reducing the cost of storing, analyzing, and processing large amount of data. Thank you.